Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I have only 10 euro session. Hola. Mais um dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Hoje eu tenho duas raspadinhas, estrelas de sorte. O número 9 e 10. And look at that guys. My boss give me. He went to Bohol. Bohol guys is the place where I grew up. It's a famous touristic area in the Philippines. Look how beautiful is that. And Tarshir. Look, so beautiful. Okay, and that's the name of the island where I was born. 2 hours away from the biggest city in the Philippines. Okay, I grew up in the island guys, so I used to eat fish a lot. Okay, let's start. Okay, Estrelas de Suerte or lucky stars, plural, Estrelas. Okay, so we're looking for 3 symbols. The lowest I can win is acorn for 5 euro, chavi or key for 10, trivo or clover for 20, 7 symbol for 50, rainbow or arco-iris in Portuguese 100, ferradora or horseshoe 200, bisuro or beetle 500, lucky hat or chapéu de sorte 1000, joninha or ladybug 5000, and the stars is the jackpot for 50,000. In use Eternity Lock Scratcher. And in the bonus area we're looking for 3 stars symbol. Okay, chave, no, rainbow, no, must be 3 like symbols guys, no, and the annoying barcode, chapéu, no. One more estrella for jackpot, of course. Chave, key, aquí, rainbow, and no. And it's not a winner. And the bonus area, no. So ticket number 9 is a loser. Okay, let's hope M2M will save us. Okay, M2M, rainbow, lucky hat, chave, no chance to win. 7, ferradora, no chance to win. 7, no chance to win. And the annoying barcode, chapéu de sorte. It's a winner guys, 20 euro win. Wow, I found the tribo for 20 euro. Wow, tribo for 20 euro guys. Wow, 20 euro win. Horseshoe, rainbow, no. No. So in the bonus area we're looking for 3 stars and no, but I found a good win guys. I found a tribo for 20 euro. Wow, very nice win in a 5 euro ticket. Very nice win in a 5 euro ticket guys. Nice. Very nice. Tribo for 20 euro. I spent only 10 euro. Very nice win guys in a 5 euro ticket. Okay, so it's nice. It's a nice win in a 5 euro ticket. So I spent 10 and I got back 20. Nice. Nice session, guys. 3 clovers for 20. Nice. Okay, I spent 10. I got back 5. Eu gaste 10 euros, obviously. I don't know what's obviously in Portuguese. Eu ganhei 20 euros. Boa sessão. Okay. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Ciao.